ProZoneEvolution, what we have here, it's the weekly plan. So you have the 7 days of the week, and if you click on the first day, on Monday, you will have the plan of the day. So breakfast at 7:30. This value here is our individual blocks that we need to eat. So if you change this value here in the column, the application will calculate automatically how much of this food you will need to cook the meal. So here you have all the weights. Depends what is easy for you to work with grams or with ounces. It's up to you. This other value is the blocks for the people sitting at the table. So people sitting at the table could be sometimes friends, could be the rest of the family. And if you change this value here, the application will calculate immediately how much quantity of the ingredients of the food you need to cook the scrambled eggs in this case here. So the other options are the same of that we can find in the meal section, in the details. So here we'll load the meal into the compilator for last moment changes. This will share your meal, and this will delete it from the day, so it will not delete from the database. So if you don't like this lunch, so you want to remove and add another one, just swipe left and go to the meals, find something you like better, for example pasta with tuna, swipe right, go back, and you will see it's on the first place, because every time we do this manually we need to set the time. For example, we will eat this at 1 o'clock p.m. Okay, so once we hit done, the application will regenerate the whole list, the whole week. Yes, as you see here we have a number. So 12 now, it's the daily requirement for the person who is using the application. So in the settings, as I show you in the setup video, if you go to the daily requirements, here it's 12. But if you need more or if you need less, you have to calculate. Then you will come here, you will update this field, and so for example, let's see, we can do it. Let's see, 15, save the settings, go back to the plan. You will see that every day is missing 3 blocks. So you can do it this way. You can just increase this one here to 4, then lunch, for example, to 4, and dinner okay. As you see now, the application shows that the day it's okay. So you have seen how to add and how to remove a meal from the day. If you want to replace the whole day, you just swipe left on the day, or you can use the trash icon here, the trash button, to remove, to clear the day from all the meals that we have into the day. So let's do like this. Cool. So as you see, there is no meal inside Monday, and you have this option here to load sequence of the meal. So yes, sure, here you have all the remind for the supplements and also the water. This is all set into the supplements section. So now let's take a look of how the sequence work. Tap here. You see here you have the breakfast. So you will choose which breakfast you would like to insert for Monday morning toast, fine. Then you will have the snack in between the lunch and the breakfast. So let's say, okay, I want yogurt. Then for the lunch we will eat another thing. Let's say a tuna salad at the bar or at the restaurant. Cool. Then another small snack before dinner, then dinner, and the last one, the snack before go to sleep. So, okay, this one. Sequence is over, and we can go back to our day. Yes, as you see, now we have 12, because 12th block, I will show you right now. The sequence is basically made over the daily plan we set here in the settings. So these are the values that the application will have reference for generating the weekly plan. If you want to go to 15 blocks as the option we changed in the daily requirements here, you see, you have to go here and manually change these values, and also the values of the people sitting at the table. Okay, so once you have done here and you do the sequence load again, all the values will be fine also here. Otherwise you will have to do it manually, as I showed you before.